Hello, everyone, and welcome to the show where we explore all your questions about architecture and design from a user's perspective. Today, we're going to get hands-on with a Revit add-in that's been getting a ton of buzz, ArchiFilm. They say it can turn your 3D models into cinematic images, but is it as good as they say? We've invited an ArchiFilm expert to break it all down with us. Welcome!
Hello, it's great to be here. I'm ready to walk you through everything from A to Z about ArchiFilm today.
So, I just installed and launched ArchiFilm in Revit and this window popped up. To be honest, I have no idea what I'm looking at. Before we start creating images, could you give us a quick given tour of this interface?
Of course, that's a great question. You can think of the ArchiFilm interface as being divided into three main sections. The left side is for inspiration and shortcuts. The middle is your workspace, and the right side and bottom are where you'll see your results.
Inspiration, workspace, and results. That sounds interesting. Shall we start with the left side?
Sure. The image at the very top showcases popular creations from the ArchiFilm Hub. It's a great way to get a sneak peek at what other pros are doing. If you click the Hub button below it, you can explore even more work. Below that, you'll find the presets. Think of these as your personal recipe book, where you can save your most used settings.
I see. So presets are like a save function. What about the workspace in the middle?
This is where all the magic happens. This large area is the canvas. In just a moment, we'll bring your Revit model in here. Right below that is the settings panel. This is where you become the director of your image, controlling everything from the style and mood to the level of creative freedom.
Excellent. And finally, where do I see the results?
The final generated image appears in this main, large image display area. And this long horizontal space at the bottom is the gallery. All the images you create during your session will be collected and stored right